Okay, this is gonna be my YouTube debut, and I'm doing it with a onion cough syrup remedy. Uh, okay, I skipped mixing it and everything. I followed the directions. You take a large onion, probably about 2 cups of sugar, and cut it, dice it real small. Uh, Fold it in, saturate the onion with the sugar, and put it in a jar. Let's see if I can flip this camera here. Hold on. Nope, can't do it. All right, put it in a jar like this. Large onion with the sugar. Put it in a jar like this. 2 days in the refrigerator. Oh my God, it stinks. It stinks so bad. I've never smelled a dead body, but man, I'd have to say this is probably a runner-up. Okay, I got the onion mixture. I put it in my strainer. I think I might have to charge the strainer to the game because I'm gonna try to wash it. We'll see if the smell comes out, but I don't know. We dealing with onions here, people. I got about that much liquid out. I ain't even gonna try squishing none of that onion down in there. I don't want any of that residue to be in the onion juice. Whew, Jesus. Okay. All right. Here, let me get him out. Whew, Jesus, this stinks. This really stinks. I hope I didn't cuss, cause man, this really stinks. Yeah. All right, here. Let me see. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have to. Oh man, this is gonna work. All right. Let's check them out there. Ooh, I'm gonna get the big spoon, cause I don't want to have to do this twice. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a shot glass. Okay, here we go. Let's pour up a shot. It's sugar, so even though it smells like death, it shouldn't taste that bad. Well, we'll see. About half a shot. All right, cool. Have a shot. See where we at. And to say too, the reason why I made this a couple of days ago, I started to feel a little tickle in my throat. You know how it feels. I'm still feeling it. I've been waking up coughing. So yeah, I got the symptoms. Let's see what it do. Oh my. Well, okay. I got mixed feelings about that. Super sweet. Probably had to take a shot. There was a moment of extreme, like, but it went away real fast. The sweet kicked back in, and I don't know. Not bad. Really not bad. For the smell of it, I mean, Jesus, it smells so horrible. Like, oh my God, so horrible. You probably only gonna want to make enough for a couple of days because you don't want this stuff sitting around. I'll see how it turns out. Maybe there'll be a part 2 of this video. I'll leave this in the refrigerator and see how this turns out in a couple of days, or see how I feel. Oh, actually, all right, and it took away the tickle. I don't feel the tickle, y'all. Yo, it works. Onion, sugar, syrup, it works. Holla at your boy.